Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Honda CBR600RR middleweight supersport. Inline 4-cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected. This is a beautiful black and red, only $54.99. 14,000 miles. Flush mount signals on the front. Gorgeous condition. Got a zero gravity windscreen. Come by, check it out. This bike's in beautiful condition. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Make your super sport dreams come true for just $54.99 on this beautiful CBR600RR. Check us out on the web, ContraCostaPS.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.